The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall. Alright, viewers and subscribers, big up and respect to each and every one. My name is Dancehall. I'm here again. Alright, so I'm going to present to you a piece of an entire video that's out on social media that shows a female veteran musician who goes by the name of Lady Anne saying some things that gave me the understanding that she said that she had been molested when she was a young girl. Viewers and subscribers, I'm not going to explain certain things that she had said. I'm going to present the video to you so that you can hear for yourself the things that she had said are some of the things that she had said. Alright, now some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright, now here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
Me never have no kids yet, not anything. Me barely have ear down there. That's why it's easy for you to finger me. Cause I didn't have no woolly pa bush like no, even though me a shave now. I didn't. You molest me, scientist. You scar me. So scientist, oh you go on like say lie me and tell by your scientist. Scientist, you molest me in a studio. You molest me. You molest me. You feel up me little tun-tun. You smell it. You say me smell good. You nasty. Cause no tun-tun no smell good. If it no wash clean and them telling me young, well my tun-tun it smell good. Cause my mother teach me how to wash it. But you molest me. And then through most of the session them, but that means used to go to studio, it was late night. Most of the studio session them was late night, young people. It was late night. I go for King Tubby's studio some various hours a night. And this man, me look breast them, they just a growth. I mean, know, if you don't know, ladies on the line, so the lady them know me I talk about. When you're young and your breast just a grow one little something just sit on by your chest and it's hard. And Jesus Christ, that man used to make me cry. I'm like, remember. And then you come call me. You me come out and talk. You come call me. You make my breast them stunted and no grow. Come me tell one big man what used to do to me when I'm a big man friend. And she say it make my breast them no grow cause she used to squeeze them so hard. And you come call me. You come text me and call me. Me never call your name. Me never call your name, scientist. Me never call your name. Yeah, on my birthday party, me call it. But when we go do the live, we go viral. Scientist, me never call your name. Me never tell nobody are you. Me never tell black bear them say are you. Can me tell black bear them as a child what you do to me them that beat you. And me tell Janja them what you do to me them that beat you. Me never tell nobody. And I'm gonna tell them, say that molest me that children them that beat you. Them that beat you. Every other engineer protect me and teach me except you. You violate me. And then you call me. And I talk about stupid should I scream? I did scream. But you turn off the board from out there before you go in at the studio because you did have your plan. Before you come adjust my headphone and the mic, scientist, you did have your plan. You did have your plan. You said when you did gone and Professor come, me did so happy. When you did gone and Professor come and told me scientist, I was so happy. Professor never one day violate me. Barnabas never violate me. No other engineer will come at the studio never violate me except you. Barnabas take me and him teach me how to ride with him and tell me what to listen to and what not to listen to. He never touched me inappropriate yet. So respect to Barnabas. Never. No other engineer never violate me. Some of them might say, boy, you're sexy, but they never did the things that you do to me. They never did the things that you do to me, scientist. You call Friday, and you admit of doing the things, but you try to explain to me what rape is. Me never say you rape me, you know. Me say you feed me up, you hold me down, and you do all of the things that me never say you rape me. Not once have I say you rape me. And I never call your name, scientist. Scientist, me never call your name. And my birthday, yes, I did. But the video where everybody that watch, me never call your name. Me just talk about the raper man them and the abuse. And you molest me. You molest me, scientist. Scientist, you molest me. You feel me up. You feel up my tun. You feel up my bobby them. You with the stinking mouth, them time them mouth stink to see people never used to brushing teeth. Teeth them dirty. All want kiss me, me have me and son and hold me face so as a little picnic. With a dirty self. I'm for sure I'm determined to get some of me, you know. When me got him get the show for me come to California, him the people them go through. Boy come and me hotel I draw the lamp and give him a raw slick, you see. And put him out of my hotel room and tell him I call the police for him. And put him out of my hotel room. Yeah. And not only that, the people them give the money for give me, but me never check my account. Him rob $100. Nancy called me and said me forgot check my account because fair account charge $100. And I saw me go realize say my account charge $100 so I tell the promoter give me back the $100. Dirty nasty scientists. And me tell the promoter don't make it come back at my hotel door. And the promoter say why me never tell him. All them time me still a security scientist, me never talk. All them time the scientists me never talk. Stinking mouth scientists. Me never talk. So you come call me. Scientists, so you come call me. And me say me have the whole part text them, man. I should not know if you take them off and I put them up here make them read them. Him call me Friday, you know. Him call me Friday when me up at Buffalo. And say, Ann, somebody send me a video, say you rape me. Me say, scientist, nobody couldn't send no video say you rape me, because me never say you rape me. And furthermore, me never call any name. And me say, no that you on the phone. Am I lying on you? You never used to want me not feed me up. Him say, yeah. But make him explain to me what rape is. And same time, my husband say, come off for the blood clot phone, boy, make you explain to her what rape is. And me hang up on him. Only if him call me back today. And me hang up on him again. And tell him to call back my blood clot phone. And I saw the whole protects them start coming. He was an engineer for King Tubby's studio. Yes, he was a top engineer when mix most of the bad song them on the ear in the E70s and the 80s. Big dirty stinking child predator molester. And then the man a disrespect me after all of what him do me. He might call me a scientists, everybody can come tell you so me never did call any name what here. Yes, I did say it at my birthday party. I did say it. And ladies and gentlemen, if you go look back for my birthday bash from Keep March 2019, on the year when me I say scientists used to try to rape me in a stubby studio. Yes, I did call him name 2019 at my party. But the other day when I was going through what I was going through a certain female said me I use Sister Charmian dead for look at hype. And I did upset about it and me comfort and me talk when me attack. I'd make people know when me go through so me could not look hype. Me never call scientist name. Me never say scientist and me never say. Me just talk about the men them who tried to molest me. Me never call him name. Suppose you listen to the whole text them when the man send me. Suppose you see the world protector, the man that takes me and call me stupid. Scientist, Friday, you admitted with one heap of weakness in the car. You ever know? When they call me Friday, when we up at Buffalo, people in the car, everybody here when you admit to it. Everybody in the car here when including my 20-year-old daughter. Everybody here when you admit to it, scientist. Everybody here when you admit to it. So what are you saying? Who give you the right to come call me? Your mama, and your daughter, and your sister, and your auntie, and them. Because scientists, I have two sons. 123 and 140. And none of them can rape the girl and make me know about that. And furthermore, none of them not go rape no girl child, because me tell them not to. Me teach them the moral. Your mother didn't teach any. Okay, if your mother didn't teach any, as a big engineer, you wanna try to rape a little 16-year-old girl when she come down the studio. Me say my breast them just start to shoot out, you know. Me say the man squeeze them till them going back. Them go back in and taunted. You do that, scientist, and you make me on a breast. You. My chest was your playground. And my little tun was your playground for your finger. My little tun was your playground for your finger, them. Your dirty finger, them. When I wash your dirty hand, when they ask you the all the other session, you never wash your hand. And when you feel me up, you go right, go to the board. I touch up the board and I wash your dirty hand. So, join the live now. Join the live. Come now, scientist. Me dey put the live, you know. Somebody tag him now. Make him come join the live. Come talk him truth. Come now. I'll take all of that. So come join the live. Scientists, come join the live. Come talk your truth. Come talk your truth. Come talk your truth now. At the other day, I recently saw me Jed know so why I used to fear for going at the studio so cause he used to feel me up. Cause me never used to tell them. Me never tell nobody. Me don't know if I send him no request. Me don't know. Me don't know him name per Instagram. Me don't know nothing about the. So we have to talk about scientists. Me don't know what him name. Me know some name scientist. But him there England and somebody sent to him. He better if he just come to me and say, and you know say, me sorry. I want to do this live. I apologize. I should have come. Yo, me sorry I'm so late, you know. If me not press charge for you, you know. I should it so a long time, you know. If me could have pressed charge for you, no scientist, me press charge for you, you know. After you violate me as a little girl, and before you come apologize to me, you come call me stupid, you should have screamed. So what me that do? When me in the room when you hold me down and feel me up. What me that do? What me that do, dirty nasty scientist?
Viewers and subscribers, there's a lot of us out there in the world who live with things that happened to us years ago and we keep that within ourselves, you know? You see it? And you know, some of the times me hear persons try to explain some things that happened to them in the past, and in my point of view, some of them, when they're explaining it to me or to other persons, you can really and truly see the emotions behind it. You see me? Alright, viewers and subscribers, the video is right there, you know. I mean, you can let me know what you think about the video that I just presented to you. You see me? There's not much I'm going to say about some of the things that have been said by Lady Anne in the video that I just presented to you. Alright? I just want to say big up and respect to Lady Anne. You see me? And big up and respect to you, my viewers and subscribers. And here's where I'm going to leave it. So until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. I'm my name Dancehall Skilla. Wanna big up on yourself. That's it.
Hey my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall Skilla. Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.